Ever heard a whooshing sound in the heartbeat? That might be a cardiac murmur. A murmur is an extra or unusual sound your heart makes when blood flows through it. Don't panic. Many murmurs are harmless, especially in kids. We call those innocent murmurs. But sometimes, murmurs are a sign of a heart problem, like valve issues or a hole in the heart. Doctors use a stethoscope to listen, and may order tests like ECG or echocardiogram. So next time you hear a murmur, remember, it's just your heart speaking. Let's listen wisely.